Got us a hot one today. It's up already in the 60s, supposed to touch up to 70 here later. I don't like it. It's getting cloudy earlier. The sun kind of broke up here. Clouds broke up. And then it was just getting smoldering hot. Anyhow, got one right up there. This makes number 99. So the next one's going to be big 100. And I'm ready to find it. Looks like a pretty sweet antler, guys. Another big 3-point side. Finding enough of them this year, huh? Didn't mean to cut you off there, but here he is. Yeah, it's a cool buck. Pretty heavy for what he is. Bladed up there on his 2. Kind of neat to match him up, but it's easier said than done most times, so we'll give it a go. Well, Amanda's out trying to find 100 for us because I got the 99 today. Super nice out, so I'm like, I'll get on the buggy, mess around a little bit, look around. Sure enough, there's 100, guys. We got it. Pretty sweet. It's the 3rd year in a row, and actually, this is the earliest we've done it by a day. Today is March 6th. He's been laying there for not too awful long. Still got some of the wax on there. That's awesome. Now that feels good. Now we can I always enjoy it, but it feels good to get to the goal, and then you can really enjoy picking after that. So we'll see you on the next one. Man, and I was out on the buggy. Not my favorite shed hunt weather, but man, is it a nice Sunday out. Fired up on one. I think it's a match to that one I found the other day that was number 100. If I had to guess, I'd say it is anyhow. We'll find out a little later. We're gonna keep rolling.